The Executive Committee of the Voice of the People's Party, VPP, in the letter from Dr. Kara H. Shen, Vice President of the party, has suspended the sitting MLA of North Shillong Constituency, Adelbert Nongrum, along with 4 other members including Snarbor Laloo, Imti Jamir, Willstone Sohshang and Richinbusiness Marwein. In the letter, it is stated that the suspension was finalized by the Executive Committee after examining the anti-party activities and showing no remorse on the date of the show cause notice. The above-mentioned names were given a prohibition by the party to represent it on any public platform and to cease to hold any position within the VPP.